I can get about 5 sandbags, that will do me quite happily for now. The water's up to the bricks of the house at the moment, but hasn't quite got to a point of coming in the house, but just want to be prepared.
Apparently the council came round this morning and dumped some sandbags in a little bag on a corner, didn't tell anybody that they were there, so by the time the news travelled down through our community, which has been fantastic, they'd all gone.
I can tell the House that we will be introducing a grant for all affected homeowners and businesses to build in better flood protection as they repair their properties. That will be up to £5,000 per house and per business. On top of that, we're announcing a £10 million fund to help farmers who've seen their land waterlogged day after day, week after week.
We've had to suspend operations on the riverbank for fear of being blown into the river. And of course, it just makes it so difficult. I mean, look, everything's so wet.
Right, quick!
For the last few weeks, most of the fishing boats haven't had a chance to go out. We fortunately didn't have any gear out there when it came in. Some of the boats have. That's now all been lost. It's a hard time for fishermen at the moment.